There's something strangely comforting about simple, everyday routines. And for me, one of those simple routines has always been going shopping. It may sound ordinary, but sometimes even the smallest activities can make us feel relaxed and refreshed in ways we do not always notice. Last weekend, I woke up feeling calm and decided it would be a good day to visit the supermarket. There were a few things I needed at home, like vegetables, bread, milk, and some basic household items. Before leaving, I sat down for a few minutes and wrote a small shopping list. I have learned over time that making a list helps me stay organized and prevents me from buying things I do not really need. A little while later, I arrived at the supermarket near my home. As soon as I walked inside, I grabbed a shopping cart and began slowly moving through the aisles. The store was bright, clean, and filled with colorful products arranged neatly on every shelf. I always enjoyed this part because I like taking my time and looking around rather than rushing. I first stopped near the fruit section, where fresh apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries were displayed beautifully. I carefully looked at everything before choosing what I wanted. Somehow, buying fresh food always makes me feel like I'm doing something good for myself. After that, I moved toward another section to pick up some daily essentials like eggs, cereal, bread, and milk. Sometimes I find myself comparing different brands for several minutes, wondering whether I should buy the familiar product or try something new. It's funny how even small decisions can take more time than we expect. While walking through another aisle, something unexpected caught my attention. I noticed a beautiful coffee mug placed on a sale shelf. I hadn't planned to buy anything extra, but I stopped and looked at it for a moment. It reminded me that shopping is not always about buying what we need. Sometimes we simply enjoy discovering small things that make us smile. Soon I finished collecting everything and moved toward the checkout counter. There were a few people waiting, so I quietly stood in line with my cart. Moments like this often make me slow down and think. In our busy lives, we rarely notice how peaceful simple moments can feel when we're not rushing anywhere. When it was finally my turn, the cashier greeted me with a friendly smile. I smiled back and thanked her while she carefully scanned each item. Even very short conversations with strangers can make an ordinary day feel warmer. Kindness has a beautiful way of making daily life better. A few minutes later, I stepped outside carrying my shopping bags and began walking back home. The weather was pleasant, and I felt strangely satisfied after finishing such a simple task. There's something rewarding about completing small responsibilities and knowing that everything at home is ready for the next few days. When I finally reached home and placed everything neatly in the kitchen, I stood there for a moment and smiled. It made me realize something important. Life is not always about big achievements or unforgettable moments. Sometimes happiness quietly hides inside very simple experiences, even something as ordinary as a simple shopping day. So now, let us learn a few useful words from today's lesson. Our first word is essentials. Essentials are things that we regularly need in daily life. For example, milk, vegetables, and bread are essentials in many homes. Our second word is organized. Organized means keeping things arranged properly and in order. For example, making a shopping list helps me stay organized. Our third word is discovering. Discovering means finding or noticing something new. For example, sometimes shopping becomes exciting when we discover unexpected things. Our fourth word is pleasant. Pleasant describes something comfortable, enjoyable, and nice. For example, the weather felt pleasant while I walked home. And our final word is rewarding. Rewarding means giving us satisfaction after doing something well. For example, Even simple tasks can feel rewarding after completing them. Beautiful work! And now it is time for speaking practice. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence with confidence. I decided to go shopping on a quiet weekend. I always make a list before shopping. I enjoy choosing fresh fruits and vegetables. Sometimes small daily activities make us feel happy. Simple moments often bring unexpected happiness. Excellent work! You are improving your English step by step. And before we finish today, remember something important. Life is not always about extraordinary moments. Sometimes the most beautiful experiences are hidden inside very simple daily routines that we often ignore. A walk outside, a short conversation with someone, or even a simple shopping trip can quietly remind us that happiness does not always need something big. So keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep finding joy in small, everyday moments while improving your English. We will see you again very soon. Until then, keep speaking with confidence and keep learning with Daily English Booster.